I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my oil diffuser. One of the reasons that I chose this diffuser is mainly because of the look of it. I love this wood grain look of it. One of the main reasons I purchased this particular oil diffuser is because of the Himalayan pink salt. I love that it has that feature, and I also love this ambient light that shines on the pink salt. I also like that the lights at the top of the diffuser can change. I can set it to change, or I can set it to stay the same just by clicking these settings here. I can also set this diffuser on a timer. I love how it came with a bunch of different oils that I can use. All I do is open the top and then drop in about 5 drops of a particular oil, whatever scent I'm in the mood for, and then I let it diffuse the scent. If you're looking for something that will make your house smell great, and that is also a nice relaxing touch to add into one of your rooms, I highly recommend this diffuser. And that's my point of view.